So since April 4th, when the supplementary budget was passed and the money is there, we have had the food has been procured, but it remains in stores. We need to get, the county government needs to expeditiously deliver this food to those people in Mashinani who need the help. Committees were formed and people were identified, those who had needs. So we need to see that rolling. It's over 300 million shillings, so that is not small change. So we need to be able to feel the impact on the ground. So we shall continue to make sure that when the money gets here, and again as a Senate, we are also now moving to we actually have started the process of the third generation formula for revenue allocation. And Nakuru has not been getting its fair share. So we are also making sure that we get a lot more. From the way that the meeting seemed to have been convened, it seemed like a kangaroo meeting to come and remove my colleague, Senator Wetangula. So what we are saying is, nobody serves forever. Nobody is supposed to be in their seats forever. But use the proper process to remove that person. That's all we're asking for. We don't even want to be favored. We just want fairness, okay? So when you kind of see this in Jubilee, most of you saw, some of us when we were removed, one of the signatures was that of an independent senator from Kirinyaga. We know an independent senator cannot remove a Jubilee senator, but that happened and it was carried through. We had a court order from the Political Parties Tribunal, and they said that the coalition with KANU was not legit. So when that continues to happen, but then what we are seeing is that the erosion of democracy just keeps happening. We cannot be quiet. So it seems like there are some people who are hell-bent on shrinking the multi-party democracy that we have had, and probably wanting to force these coalitions, and those who are not seemed favorable to the forced coalitions are then removed in the night meetings or in the kangaroo meetings or whatever they are. So, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Oh, and we saw the dancing. We also, yes, thank you. So we saw the dancing and Atwoli there in Kajiado. When people in Nyeri cannot go for a funeral, we have 100 or 200 policemen refusing them to access a funeral. But you have old Mugabe with his whiskey in Kajiado. And again, like we said, Jubilee was a party that brought Nasato, to some extent, to be fair, brought many communities together. So when we now see we are again starting to retreat to this tribal, like we saw with Atwoli and his crew, tribal cocoons, then there is a problem. So in conclusion to that question, we are concerned that the processes and procedures and due process are not being followed. There seems to be some sort of dictatorship. I have said that before. I don't say it accidentally. I'm not saying it like I don't know what I'm saying. There seems to be some sort of dictatorship creeping in. But we are woke, we are awake to it, and we shall make sure that where we can help point it out and do what we need to do, we shall do it without fear of it.